Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to buy an ETF on the Robinhood app. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and make sure you're logged in to your account. Next, tap the search icon at the top right corner of the screen. Type in the name or ticker symbol of the ETF you want to buy. For example, let's search for a healthcare ETF. From the results, select the ETF you're interested in. This will open its page, where you can see charts, market performance, and other details. Once you're ready to buy, tap Trade button at the bottom. If your account is fully verified, you'll be able to select Buy. Enter the number of shares or the dollar amount you'd like to invest. Review your order, then tap Submit to complete your purchase. And that's it. That's how to buy ETFs on Robinhood. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.